Today we're going to talk about basic sales in PHP POS. The first step of sales is getting to the sales feature. Click Sales in the left navigation. If you have multiple registers in a location, you'll first have to select which register you're using. Today we'll select ILA. The first thing to do when you're creating a sale is to add items. There are 3 ways to add existing items. If you have barcodes for your items, then click the item box here and scan the barcode with your handheld device. If you want to search by name, click in the item box and start typing the title. Select the item from the drop-down below. The final way to add an item is to use the grid. Click Show Grid. Here you can find items based on categories, tags, suppliers, and favorites if you favorited any items earlier. If you need to add an item that does not yet exist in your system, click the Add Item button here. This will bring up the item creation screen. You can add all the information and create a new item to be part of your sale. For now, we're just going to select this one. Now that we've finished using the grid, we can click Hide Grid to get back to the normal screen. Once you've added an item, you can edit it. You have the option to change the price, quantity, discount percentage, and total of the item. To edit any of these features, simply click the value, enter a new value, and then click the check mark to save the change. If you don't want to save your change, click the X and it'll return to the original amount. After you've added all of your items and made sure they're correct, you can move on to the customer section. You may want to add a customer if you have a customer loyalty program or other discounts tied to customer names. You can add an existing customer by clicking in the customer box here and starting to type their name. You'll see them appear in the drop-down. If you selected the wrong customer, simply click Detach, and you'll be able to pick a new one. If you have a new customer that is not yet in your system, you can click the Create New Customer button right here. Once you've created them, they'll be added to your sale. After items and customers, the next step is to check the pricing on all of your items. You can adjust the item tier, the amount of discount on all items by percentage, and the discount for the entire sale by clicking these fields in the right. You can also edit the taxes for a sale by clicking Edit Taxes. You can select from existing taxes or create your new ones there. If you need to remove a tax that is already applied to your sale, simply click the X to the left of the tax amount. Before getting into payments, let's take a look below at the comments and the custom fields. Comments by default are not shown to the customer. They're only visible to the employee. If there is a comment that you would like to appear on a customer receipt, click the box here for Show Comments on Receipt. Below comments are custom fields. Admins can create custom fields and may make them required to complete a sale, so always look to see if there are any additional fields below that you may have to fill out to finish this sale. Once you've looked at comments and any custom fields, you can move back to the payment section. PHP will tell you the total due as well as the amount due for a sale. The first thing that you do is select the customer's payment method. Payment methods are set up in the configuration section. If a customer is paying the total in one payment method, such as the $50 due right here, you can complete a sale automatically. Sometimes, however, customers will split a payment. They'll pay part of it with cash and part of it with, say, debit card. So if they're only paying $20 in cash, click Add Payment. PHP does the math for you. The $20 is removed from the total and the amount due is now only $30. So we can select Debit Card for the second payment method. $30 is automatically filled in. Now this will make the amount due 0, so we can complete a sale. Once you've finished a sale, you're brought to the sales receipt. If you've made a mistake with the sale, click Edit in the top left corner here. This will bring you back to the sales screen where you can make any adjustments needed before clicking Complete the Sale again. Otherwise, you've just finished your first sale. Congratulations!